Hey guys, thanks for checking out another episode of Kicks and Fits. I'm your host, Jazaida. I'm here at the Kick store on South Street, and I have the Air Force One Jester high tops. So now I have to find the perfect outfit for these kicks. But first, let me show you some details. This shoe is a part of the One Reimagined collection, which is a twist on the classic Air Force One. And there's not just one, but two color schemes of this awesome shoe. Now, the first thing I've noticed, you see how the Nike swoosh? It's a little bit lower on this shoe than on the original Air Force One. You can actually see the stitching of where the swoosh is supposed to go. For me, it screams going against the norm. If you're gonna reimagine the Air Force One, why not change where the swoosh is gonna be? Another detail you can't miss is this metallic shimmery leather that separates the upper and the leather sole. It's eye-catching and it adds some flavor to this Air Force One classic. There's also a metallic tab here that has Nike Air Force One on it, little spin on the classic, and a metallic buckle for the upper strap. All together, some flavor for this classic. So today, I actually have to choose between black or the violet ash. Gonna go with the violet ash. All right, so now that I picked my shoe, I think I'm gonna look for sweats. And I don't know if it's because it's a rainy day or I'm just feeling this fall weather, but I wanna be warm and comfy. All right, let's get started. I think I'm gonna go for my top. So I would even wear something like this. Doesn't match perfectly, but it plays with like that girly pastel color. I feel like a dessert, nice and creamy. Just play with these colors. Yes, I could work this. I like this. And I don't know if I can make it work, but I probably would. So something like this, you can make it work like the t-shirt dress, if you will. It's baggy, it probably fits really cute. I love this detail on the side. I'm just feeling real light, and this is not normally me, I'm telling you. I like black and dark colors, but maybe it's the Jester. Got me stepping out of my comfort zone. This is what I'm talking about when I say I like sporty, you know, tomboyish clothes, but there's still like a feminine touch because of the colors. It's light and playful. Did I say navy blue sweats? Ha ha ha! Just what I need. All right guys, as you can see, I can't make a decision. Blame the Libra in me. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to find something, so stay tuned. All right guys, I'm back. And I found the perfect fit for these. Listen, it's perfect for this fall weather. I feel comfortable, but still cute. These pastel colors are light enough, but still fun. And I told you I was gonna go with sweatpants. Cream color sweatpants, count me in. So let me know what you guys think. If you really like this episode of Kicks and Fits, please like and subscribe so you can check out more. Let me know what you think about my fit, guys, and I'll see you soon.